Namaste everyone. I hope you are fine. So first of all I would like to talk why I am making this video today. This video has a reason and it is the financial prosperity abundance is the main cause of making this video. Presently we knows about money Reiki, prosperity and abundance Reiki, Ashtalakshmi Reiki and Midas symbol to heal our financial status. But there are many symbols to heal that status of money in your life. As you want to increase your business, as you want to start your business, so we need some symbols healing with that. These symbols can be learned by a Reiki practitioner who is practicing Reiki, who has faith in Reiki. Only that people can learn them. One more thing I want to tell you, that those people have faith, they can achieve anything. For example, Midas or Midas, this is a beautiful symbol and it works for everyone. Another symbol is Vasudha, beautiful symbol, heals, helps. And Swastika, Lord Ganesha, these are beautiful symbols. And we have some other symbols too to heal our life and financial problems. But most important thing, yes, it is bitter but truth. If you do not make a payment of these energy symbols, so you will not enjoy the material bliss of these symbols, because there should be a balance of energy. If you are not paying against your learning symbols, so you will not get the right benefit. One more thing I want to tell you, please, these symbols are not connected to any specific system. These symbols are separate from Money Reiki, from Karuna Reiki, from Ashtalakshmi Reiki, from Prosperity and Abundance Reiki. But yes, they are ancient symbols, so they have their own power to heal the life and financial status of a person. So if you are interested, so please contact me, I will teach you. But yes, do not ask me to reveal these symbols, because this is prime virtue of this symbol. If we reveal them before attunement, so it will not work a lot as we expect. Meditate, feel, believe and activate a prosperity channel in your life. This is the sutra of these symbols. I hope my people can understand me, because everyone knows my unconditional love for humanity. God bless you everyone, and lots of loving blessings. Ritu Kaushal, and you can write me email on kaushalreiki@gmail.com, and my blessings are with all of you. May you all achieve your goals and happiness in your life. Om Shanti.